Montana Texture Spray is a gray texture coat to generate sculptured impasto surfaces. It is suitable for creative works of all kinds, as well as filling material to patch up small irregularities, such as cracks, holes, or even as a foundation. Surfaces should be dry and clean. The Montana Texture Coat works especially perfect as primer on porous surfaces like brick, stone, or concrete. Remove the safety ring by removing the nozzle and turning the can upside down, allowing the ring to fall out. Shake can well for 2 to 3 minutes. During application, protect the object and the surrounding area from spray mist. For best results, apply Montana Texture Spray evenly at a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters from substrate. Apply in thick layers on one or more spots, and scatter with a scraper, sponge, or brush. After thoroughly dry and cured, texture spray can be top-coated with many common lacquer types. The texture spray has a good adherence and is highly water-resistant. It offers also a high layering and thick filling capacity due to an excellent paint stability. It can be overpainted then. Sandable already after 2 to 3 hours. Texture coat can be overpainted after 2 to 3 hours with nitro combi or acrylic lacquers. However, it is recommended to wait until fully dried and cured. Seal with Montana varnish for further protection. Always test spray on a non-visible area to check compatibility of lacquer or paint. Montana Texture Spray to generate sculptured impasto surfaces and for all kinds of creative works. Highest spray paint quality made in Germany.